Imagine harnessing the power of AI to become more attractive to women. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. AI can decode women's desires, refine your communication skills, and even upgrade your personal style. Intrigued? Let's dive into the details. Firstly, AI can help you understand what women want. Picture this: AI tools, working tirelessly, analyzing oceans of data to decode the preferences of women. Imagine understanding trends, likes, dislikes, and more, all at your fingertips. This information can be your key to becoming more attractive to women. It's like having a secret cheat sheet. You can adapt, evolve, and align yourself with these insights, making yourself more appealing in the process. Remember, knowing what women want is half the battle won. Next, AI can help improve your communication skills. With AI-powered apps, you can learn to articulate your thoughts and feelings more effectively. These tools can help you understand how to use the right words, tone, and even body language. Remember, good communication isn't just about speaking, it's about listening too. AI can guide you to listen actively and respond empathetically, making you more appealing to women. After all, being a good communicator is not only attractive, but also essential. Good communication is key to any successful relationship. Finally, AI can help enhance your personal style. Ever wondered how to keep up with the ever-changing fashion trends? AI's got your back. It can sift through countless fashion blogs, magazines, and social media platforms, picking out the latest trends and suggesting styles that best suit your personality. Dressing well isn't just about impressing others, it's a way of expressing yourself. It shows that you value yourself and have respect for others. Looking good is not just about vanity, it's about showing that you care about yourself and others. To sum up, AI can help you understand what women want, improve your communication skills, and enhance your personal style. It's like having a secret weapon in the realm of attraction, so why wait? Harness the power of AI and become the best version of yourself today.